Hello and welcome to the iVP Planning Release 23.07.0. I would like to show you some features which we updated or added recently, which includes the screenshot tool for 3D and 2D, the video export panel, the box selection in 3D, the file association with the plan files, color customization, and a newly added curve. I would like to start with the screenshot tool. The screenshot tool is updated with new features, including alpha export. You can find the 2D and 3D screenshot right at the panel above the 3D and the 2D screen. So what you can do is you can just click on the button, which creates another panel on top of the 3D screen. What you then are able to do is you can position the camera like you seem fit. And if you are happy with the camera, you can just say, okay, I want to have the transparent background or the normal background with the hall behind the machines. I would like to show you something about the transparent background, because this is a feature which is quite nice for you. What you can do is you can select the resolution of the screenshot. We have the HD Ready, Full HD, 4K and 8K. The feature behind this is that you are able to create 8K rendered screenshots, which are rendered locally on your machine. And we are always switching to the highest graphics quality for the export. Well, what you are then able to do is you can click on Annotate or click on Save. Save will just save the screenshot which you have currently selected. Or you can click Annotate. Annotate will be something from Paint or Snapping Tool. And then you're able to just select some colors here and mark stuff around here, which is quite fast, quite easy for some quotation, for annotations or marking of areas which are interested for you. You can also erase them or just do the undo button. And click the toggle, open when finished. This will open the screenshot right after clicking on done. After clicking on done, you will get a window in Windows where you have to select the folder to export the screenshot you just made. Yeah, and after that you get a nice, quite nice screenshot with transparent background. This is also working with virtual cameras, so I will just press B to position some cameras on the current camera position in 3D. So I have now 3 cameras, and I'm now able to click on the button Create Screenshots. So I select virtual camera 1, virtual camera 2. And with this feature, I also could select some fixed positions to make the screenshot itself. And I will just overwrite my feature here. And then I have the screenshots exported, which you are also able to do because that's a feature which is sometimes quite important for you to have aspect ratio. You're also able to have the aspect ratio selection on top of the panel, 16:9, 21:9, or the cube, or 3 is the size of the panel itself. So that's the feature in 3D. The same goes for 2D. It's I can just adjust my camera, click on Create Screenshot, and then can select the resolution. I would like to have high resolution because it's you don't lose anything if you just create higher resolutions. Can some annotation, I don't know, with the brush size, and just make some small annotation, and then just click on done, and then I have a nice 2D export in high resolution, which I can use for my PowerPoint presentation or other stuff. I would like to show you now the video export panel. I recently created the cameras here. It's automatically like a camera flight between the cameras with the setting of 3 seconds. And I just can click here, video export, click on aspect ratio, which I would like to have. 16:9 is like the normal resolution, the normal aspect ratio for the export of 4K videos. You can select 4K, Full HD, or HD ready. And frame rate is like, the standard frame rate is 30 frames per second, but 60 is, or 50 is like the smoother frame rate, which you would like to have for your videos, because it's like CG rendering and we don't have motion blur. So I would recommend like 60 frames per second. The resolution is for low, we have low, medium, high, which is like the resolution of the bit rate. So if you have high, the resolution, the image is more crisp, but you have higher file size. So if you don't would like to have so much file size on your PC of the videos rendered, so you would like to have some lower or medium quality. I will select high here to just export something. And then I just can click confirm. The panel is opened instantly. The rendering's done. And yeah, in the future for the next update, we will update the camera list. So this is one of our tasks for the next update. We weren't able to update it in the recent feature update. But yeah, it's as easy as it can be. So just place some cameras, click on the video export button and just confirm. The next feature which we added is like a simple feature, but it's very convenient for you. It's like in 2D we have with control and left click, we have like the box selection, and now we also have it for 3D. So this is a new more convenient feature for you, so you're able to control in 3D the selection of the objects easier. The next feature is file association. I can't show you it directly here in planning itself, but I will show you some screenshot of it. What it means is that the plan files, .plan, the files are associated with iVP planning directly. So you're now able to double click on .plan files, and the plan files are then opened in a new iVP planning instance. So now you have easier access to the files in iVP planning. The next feature I would like to show you is the color customization. The color customization is something we added in the background of iVP planning as a feature which is now can be adapted for any machine. So at the moment we have the geometric body and our custom curve with the color customizations. The customization is at the right in the customization panel, and what you are now able to do is you can just adapt the color of the geometric body. So now I have the material metal selected, and now you can see I have some different colors for the metal of the geometric body, and I can just like make it bigger, adapt it, and some new features to have, like we have here like a little structure in the material of the metal, and can now adapt the tiling to have like a smaller structure on the geometric body itself. So this is a feature we can now adapt for other machines, and is a right way in the direction of having 3D objects with color. Because at the moment we only have like color for the 2D view, and in the future we would also like to have the color for the 3D view as well. The next feature is something which is in the default database. It's like the new framework for having a curve So we are now able to just adapt the curve itself as we would like to have. It's with levels and with degrees. So now you're able to just adapt the curve, roller curve, as much as you like. So this is also a new feature, which is in the current release. So that's it. That's all the features which are updated and new in the current release, 23.7.0. If you have any questions, just reach out to us. See ya.